Hi everyone, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back with Miss Aria. And today we're going to be doing another cute hairstyle for you. We're going to call this one Criss Cross French Braids. If you like this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. That really helps support our channel and we really appreciate it. Now without any further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Okay, so to start this style, I've just parted her hair in the middle on the top, and we are going to start a French braid. We're going to work on this side first. So we're just crossing the outside sections over the middle section, and then as we go, we're going to pick up hair on each side and add it in. Just a regular French braid, and we are going to add in hair until we get behind her ear, and then we're going to stop adding in hair. Okay, now that we are behind the ear, I'm just going to braid this on down, and we want it to go this way because the braids are going to crisscross. So we want this braid to go this way, and then this one is going to come this way. Okay, I've braided down until it's going to come over to this shoulder, and I'm just going to put a temporary elastic in here to hold it in place while I start the braid on the other side. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same thing on this side that I've done on this side. Okay, so now we've got both of these braids hanging down here. So what we're going to do now is pick these braids up for just a minute. Make sure you've got all the hair. Her hair is really frizzy, so I did dampen her hair a little bit, but it's still really frizzy. So with this hair, you're just going to like come from underneath and feel where the back of the head is and just loosely part it. And we're going to take this hair over to the other side and just tie it out of the way for a minute. Okay, so now we're going to take this braid and release the elastic. And we're going to, I braided down further than I needed to. So we're going to unwind it a little. Now from this point, we're going to start adding in the hair that's hanging down on the left side in with the braid on the right side. Okay, so we're just going to add in hair to the top. Then we're going to pick up a section from the bottom and add it in. And we're trying to avoid an obvious part line in the back. That's why we just loosely parted it with the thumb. Now we're just going to keep adding this hair in until we have it all incorporated. Once you have all the hair incorporated, you're just going to finish the braid off with a regular braid. And once you get to the end, you're just going to take the elastic and secure the ends. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to release this that we had tied out of the way. And we're going to release this braid. So now we're taking the braid from the left side and we're going to add in the hair that's hanging down on the right side. And that's the finished style. Turn around so they can see the back. So you have your cute crisscross French braids, and you could use Dutch braids if you prefer Dutch braids. And that's it. Really cute and fun. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, show us some love, and click the subscribe button down below. That really helps support our channel and we would greatly appreciate it. And that's it for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.